Today, we're going to talk about actuators. There's probably not a day that goes by where you don't use or encounter an actuator at home or at work. In this video, we're going to explain the purpose of an actuator, discuss the two types of actuators, look at the three typical sources of energy required for an actuator to move something, observe the operation of an actuator used in a very common industrial control application. Okay, let's get started. In very simple terms, an actuator is a device that makes something move or operate. Every one of us takes advantage of at least one actuator every day. When we go to the grocery store, the door opens automatically for us. An actuator makes the door open. We can move the car seat forward or backward before we drive away in our car. An actuator makes the seat move. An actuator can move something in a straight line, also referred to as linear. Also, an actuator can make something move in a circular motion, also referred to as rotary. We've talked about the movement of an actuator, but we haven't discussed how or what makes it move. An actuator receives a source of energy and uses it to move something. To put it another way, the actuator converts a source of energy into a physical mechanical motion. In this example, the butterfly valve is operated by turning the hand wheel connected to the rotary actuator. In industrial applications, the hand wheel could be replaced by one of three typical sources of energy, which can operate the rotary actuator. Electric actuators use some form of electric energy to operate. Hydraulic actuators use a variety of liquids as a source of energy. Pneumatic actuators are operated by compressed air. Typical actuators in the industry include electric motors, hydraulic motors, and pneumatic control valves. Let's look at a typical pneumatic actuator in action. The PLC analog output card produces a 4 to 20 milliamp current to move the valve from fully open to fully closed. The 4 to 20 milliamp current will be converted to pneumatic pressure, which becomes the source of energy to operate the actuator.